So part 2 of the video, so I don't know where it left off at, but anyway, this is the chain link fence that we have to take apart. She's going to get the lattice out and this truck box out the way. So the chain link fence will come apart right there, and then we'll just roll it back enough to get the 30-inch wide unit underneath of it. The crossbar at the top probably can stay in there because it's a pretty short unit. And so anyway, so Sarah does know about having extra help here at first to get the unit lifted up and over that narrow spot there where that tree's at, because it will make it, but it has to be lifted up to about waist height. So I might have already said that, I don't know, but I don't know where it cut off again. So here's inside. Here's the breaker. It's a 40 amp double pole square D breaker, right there, second one from the top on the left. And if it needs to be 30 according to the unit specs, the max fuse size, then bring a 30. That way we don't have to put a fuse disconnect on. And then so it's probably going to be easiest to bring all the equipment in right through there once you get the fence down. And then, because here's the utility room right here, and there is the flue pipe. It's a 6x3x4 swivel T, 4 inches for the furnace. The new furnace is also going to be 4-inch flue pipe. So all you're going to need is 1, 2, 3 elbows and probably 4 foot of flue pipe at the most to make up the difference. The new furnace will be a little shorter too, so 4 foot of flue pipe. Condensate hose runs right down into the floor drain back there, and the gas piping will need a new shutoff and a union outside of the furnace. Currently it's inside, so new shutoff, new union, and then the electric is fine, that can be reused. Maybe a new switch inside the electric shutoff, however, that's an old switch, so it needs to be replaced. And then the Freon lines come down from the ceiling and right down to the coil, so that should go pretty simple. Filter rack is on the bottom left side. It's a 16x20 filter slot, and that is fine. And then the coil just butts up to the bottom of the supply trunk there, so you might have to narrow that off and put a new coil. Is going to be, it's going to be close, but you might have to modify that opening a little bit. Other than that, that should be about it. So, like I said, Sarah does notice an extra help to help get the thing in and out and then the fence down. And then, so there's that right there. So that should be it.